Students, I am sure by now you all must have downloaded your fast scanner app on your phones. Now what you're going to do, you will open it and it will ask you for some permissions, so just allow them. Okay, and it's ready to work now. Okay, now it's showing you over here a camera button. This camera button is all what you have to use for now. Now you are opening your biology workbooks to unit 1.1, and what you will do with the help of this camera button, you are going to take a picture of your unit 1.1 page number 10. Okay. After you have taken a picture, you are going to crop it. You are going to crop the sides of the picture very accurately. कुछ भी आप काटिएगा नहीं, सब कुछ आपका जो काम है वो पिक्चर में आना चाहिए. एंड देन यू प्रेस द टिक बटन and again, and it asks you to enter the name. So you can enter the title as unit 1.1 and press OK. Once you press OK, it will take you to this screen. Over here you can add the other page of unit 1.1. You can take the picture of the second page, page number 11 I guess. You can quickly take the picture and then again adjust it, crop it, adjust it. See, you can adjust and crop it like this, and then again check it, tick it, and then you can rotate it. You rotate it so that it's in a proper direction. Again check it, and you now have two pages of unit 1.1. Here is unit 1.1. You have 2 pages. Now let's quickly take the picture of the lab activity as well. So you have taken the picture of the lab activity, and again you press the tick button. Okay, so now you have 3 pages of unit 1.1. You can now take the last page of unit 1.1's lab activity, that is page number 14. Again crop the image properly, crop it properly, कुछ भी कटे नहीं और जो आपका written work है वो सारा आ जाए. Okay, now you have complete unit 1 over here. Okay, ये आपका save हो गया. You can go back, and again when the camera icon occurs, so that means अब आप दूसरे unit को भी ऐसे ही save कर सकते हैं. I have now taken a picture of unit 1.2 mineral salts for plants, and I am saving it. Now it will ask for the other document name, so you can entitle it as unit 1.2. Click the picture of the next page of unit 1.2 and save it. So now you have now you have 2 images for unit 1.2. अब आपके पास यूनिट 1.1 4 पेजेस और यूनिट 1.2 2 पेजेस आ गए. ये आपके फास्ट स्कैनर में सेव हो गया है. इसी तरह आपने यूनिट 1.3 का भी एक सेपरेट फाइल बनाकर अपने फ़ोन्स में सेव करके रखनी है. दिस इज़ योर सेकंड स्टेप आफ्टर you have download the application. I hope up till now the instructions are very clear and you all can do it. Okay, so quickly आप लोग अब 1.3 तक की ऐसे 3 फाइल्स बनाकर अपने PDF में अपनी फ़ाइल्स बनाकर और फास्ट स्कैनर ऐप में रख लीजिए. उसके बाद आई विल टेल यू कि किस तरीके से जब मैं आपसे मांगूंगी गूगल क्लासरूम में तो आप किस तरीके से उसे मुझे सेंड करेंगे. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.